Hi, this is Lee at Nextbase. This is our 422GW dashcam, the first with Alexa built in. Let's take a look at some of the features. The 422GW features 1440p 2K high resolution, really capturing all of that information whilst you're out driving. The 2.5-inch touchscreen makes it easy to set up and to view back your footage via the screen directly. The dashcam can connect directly via Wi-Fi to your phone using the My Nextbase Connect app. Great for when you're on the go, if you need to download and send your footage to your friends, your insurance company, or even the police. This also features our Nextbase Emergency SOS, our groundbreaking technology that is potentially a lifesaver. In the event of an accident, your phone will directly contact the emergency services, even with details like your blood type, to make sure an ambulance is with you on the scene of an incident. Our intelligent parking feature ensures that even when you're outside your vehicle, if an impact or a jolt is sensed, this will start recording. It also includes Alexa built in, so with your voice, you can safely play music, ask for directions, and even control your dashcam. And with the My Nextbase Player, which is free to download on your computer, you can edit and share all of your footage. And with our super accurate GPS, which refreshes 10 times per second, all of your data is completely and utterly accurate. So let's take a look at this in the car. Now, our patented click and go technology means that this is the simplest camera to put into your car and take out again with no fuss whatsoever. Let's take a look at it. And as we can see, it's very, very easy to get your dashcam in and out of your car. And with our patented magnetic click and go mount, you can simply install and remove as such. The cable goes around your roof lining and connects to your car power. And with this particular model, the 422GW, we recommend a Nextbase microSD card, and this will support up to 128GB. This model also supports all of our rear view cameras. First of all, our cabin camera slips into the side and records all movement within your vehicle. Secondly, is the rear view camera using a telephoto lens to record everything happening behind your car. Finally, we have our rear window camera. It adheres to the inside of your rear windscreen and records all movement from behind your vehicle. So with the 422GW dashcam in your car, you can ensure that you keep you and your family safe and prove any incident wasn't your fault.